Hi guys, this is Mike at netbooklive.com, and today in this short clip I'm going to show you the differences between an Ultrabook or a ZenBook like the one we have here and a regular small size laptop, a standard mini laptop. And we're also going to show you the difference between this one and the regular size laptop. Okay, so first of all, this is the UX21 Ultrabook. It's a 11.6 inch device. And next to it we have the Acer 1825 PT, which as well it's an 11.6 inch mini laptop, so standard laptop. Putting them one next to the other, you're going to notice that the differences are not that easy to spot. Perhaps the Ultrabook is a little bit longer and I believe a little bit shorter as well. Going to notice right here that this one is wider but this one is longer. Still, if you're going to compare those two in terms of width, I believe the difference is pretty obvious here. This one is like 3 times thinner than this one, and also if you're going to compare the weight, this one only goes for 2.4 pounds, well, I believe this one goes for like 3.5 or something like this. Yeah, regularly 11.6 or 12-inch laptops are actually going to be a little bit slimmer than this one, because this is a tablet, so it comes with a thicker screen here, a thicker display. But the difference, it's not really that much, that big. So you just notice that this one is actually a lot bulkier than a regular Ultrabook. So this is the first difference I wanted to show you here. The second difference speaks about ports, because this one is thicker. It has a lot more place for ports. So it has a standard USB, a standard VGA slot, standard HDMI, one USB here, and two other USBs over here. There's also a card reader and a LAN adapter. Well, this one doesn't really have space for all these ports. It only has 2 USBs, one on this side and one on this other side, and it has small output video output connectors. This is a mini VGA and this is a micro HDMI. So based on ports, this one is a little bit it's actually a lot better. But hey, it really depends on what you're going to need. You're going to need style and portability, or you're going to need a regular smaller laptop. Now, opening the two, you're going to notice once again that both feature pretty much similar sized keyboards in here. So they're actually quite good on both of them. This one has a bigger trackpad, this one has a smaller one, but that's not really characteristic for all devices in this class. Still, the older portable laptops usually came with very small trackpads, while this new ZenBooks come with wider trackpads, easier to use actually. But however, the difference is on the interior. This one, it's an older version, but still it comes with a new ULV Intel processor from a couple of generations ago. This one comes with Intel Sandy Bridge ULV processor, and that's a requirement in order to be called an Ultrabook. It also comes with 4 GB of DDR3 memory and SSD storage by standard. Well, this one doesn't offer an SSD storage. Of course, you can replace it if you want, but as a default, it doesn't offer SSD storage. In terms of operating system, they both run Windows 7 Home Premium, and there are a couple of extra features on this one in order to be called an Ultrabook. This one should have very fast resume time and very fast boot time, and it's actually happening. It goes to sleep and resume in just 2 seconds. Okay, that was it, and now it's closed. It boots up in like under 20 seconds, while this one takes at least twice as much to boot up, and it gets out of sleep in more than 10 seconds or something like this. So this one is a little bit, it's actually way faster. In terms of battery life, this one comes with a 4-cell 35 watt-hour battery, while this one has a 6-cell 56 watt-hour battery, but they both provide pretty much similar battery life. When this was new, actually, it was a little bit better. This one goes for like 4 hours on average, maybe 4.5. This one, when it was new, went for like 5 hours, so just a little bit extra. But this one is definitely way faster than this Acer is, or actually this Acer was when it was new. Now this one, I have bought it a couple of, actually no, last year, so it has like 1.5 years. It's still very good, but this one is definitely a lot faster. And finally, there's one more aspect we should talk about, and that's price. This one, it starts at $9.99, the ZenBook, the UX21. This one, on the other hand, or other similar 11.6-inch laptops, usually start at $400 with one of the newer AMD Zakati platforms. This one is a bit expensive because it comes with a touchscreen. It's a tablet, like I said. It comes with a convertible display. It goes like this, so it's a little bit expensive. It's like 600 euros here. I'm not sure if it's available in the States, but bottom point, this one is that the Ultrabook is usually at least 2 times more expensive than a similar sized laptop, regular laptop. And when compared to netbooks, the price difference is even bigger, because right now laptops go for like netbooks go for like between 200 and 300 bucks, while this one starts at 1000. And there are some cheaper Ultrabooks, the Aspire 3 for instance, but you made a lot of they had to make a lot of compromises in order to get that lower price point. Okay, and I also told you that I will show you the differences between this one, a regular Ultrabook, and the standard sized laptop. I'm going to come back with this in a future clip here on our YouTube on Gadget GM. Okay, that was it for now. Mike at netbooklive.com with a quick comparison between an Ultrabook and a regular mini laptop like this. Both are 11.1-inch notebooks, and you managed to saw what are the important differences between the two. More details are available on the site on netbooklive.com, and if you liked our clip, please press thumb up. Thanks, that was Mike at netbooklive.com.